Okay, let's add some fractions. So let's add, for the first one, let's add 1/2 plus 2/3. Okay, so a convenient trick for adding fractions is to take the denominator under each one respectively and multiply the other fraction times the denominator over itself. So the way that would go, that sounds a little confusing with words, but it's simple when you look at it. This is a 2 right here, so multiply this number times, multiply this fraction times 2 over 2, right? Because 2 over 2 is just 1, right? You haven't changed the fraction anyway. Just 2/3 times 1 is still 2/3. But it's convenient because it's going to get you a common denominator. And then this one is a 3, so just multiply this fraction times 3 over 3, right? And so we see that this is 3, multiplying, this is 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and then 3 times 2 is 6. You see that we'll always end up with the common denominator down here when we do this, right? So 3 plus 4 is 7, so this is 7/6. Okay, number 2. 3/4 plus 7/8. Okay, so take this number here, this 4 here, multiply this number, this one times 4 over 4, and then take this number 8 and multiply this one over here times 8 over 8. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24. And then, let me show this. And then 8 times 4 is 32. 7 times 4 is 28. And 8 times 4 is 32. See, so we always end up with the common denominator. It may not be the least common denominator, but what do we care, right? So then this will be 24 plus 28 is equal to 52. 52 over 32. Now when you get down here, you may have to do some reducing, but it's easier to reduce than it is to find the least common denominator, right? So then 52 divided by 2 is 26. 32 divided by 2 is 16. And then we can divide these again. 26 divided by 2 is 13. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. So the answer is 13/8. Do like this. Right? So for number 3, we have 16 over 54 plus 17 over 12. So we see that this would not be easy to find the least common denominator, right? But what do we care about the least common denominator? We just want the answer. So let's just take this number, multiply this one times 12 over 12. Take this one, multiply this other one times 54 over 54. We haven't changed either of those fractions because this is just 1, this is just 1. 12 times 16 is 192. So we have 192 over 648. Plus 918, 17 times 54 is 918 over 648. You see how these are always going to be the same thing on the denominator, right? So then we have 192 plus 918 is equal to 1110 divided by 648. Now that can be reduced, and we just divide each of them by 2. So this divided by 2 is 555. And this number divided by 2 is 324. Put that backwards. And then that can be further reduced, right? So this can be further reduced to 185 over 108. because this divided by 3, both of these are divisible by 3. 555 divided by 3 is 185, and 324 divided by 3 is 108. So let me... Okay, I'm going to step to the side and give you a clear screenshot. This is just a convenient trick for adding fractions. It never fails.